for you guys. So let's jump right into it. So I do have a couple pieces that I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys today. They are from The Cool with the Edge. This is a black-owned brand that is currently located in Atlanta, Georgia. They have a website, but they also have a storefront in Atlanta, Georgia. So yes, definitely check them out if you're in Atlanta. So let's jump right into it, you guys. Let me go ahead and open up these boxes so we can see what we got. I do have two boxes, both from The Cool with the Edge. I did purchase two separate orders just because when I placed my first order in the big box, they didn't have the bottoms that I wanted out yet. Once they did bring the bottoms back out, I did go ahead and purchase another order. Let's see what we got. These are bright. Okay. These are joggers. They're like a neon green, but they also have a little gray in them as well. And The Cool does have their logo right there. So I like it. This is how the bottom looks. They're bright. I love bright colors. So these are joggers from The Cool with the Edge. And these are a size small. So I did purchase this hat from The Cool with the Edge. This is very cute. It is a sunflower hat, but the face has an X and a dollar sign. So I thought that was really cute. I love it. It's just a dad hat. And it is a little distressed as well. So yes, I love that. I love that the sunflower patch is really bright and it's really colorful. And I love the dollar sign. Yes, that is super, super duper cute. And this is probably going to be one of my favorite things out of here. These are the shorts. They always have cute shorts and they are unisex. So these are the pair that I picked up. These are like a leopard print kind shorts and they're really cute. They're really different. That's what I like about them. They're really different. I've never seen anything like it, and I always try to go for the things that are different and that stand out. So we do have The Cool, their logo right here at the bottom of the short. They do have pockets and it does have a back pocket. So these are really cute. Like I said, they are unisex. They feel very comfortable. We're gonna get right into these graphic shirts. This is a graphic shirt. It has like a girl with red hair and it says, "Aren't you cool?" Yes, I am. Thank you. So that's cute. Just a graphic shirt. The colors are really bright, really vivid. Definitely love that. So yeah, shout out to this graphic shirt. Alright, you guys, next we have another one. This is a pink graphic shirt and it says peace over pleasure. Peace over pleasure, and it does have the peace sign with the lips. I love that. I love the lips. So that's cute. Peace over pleasure. Yes, I'm pretty sure we will take peace over pleasure anyway. I know I would. Another graphic shirt I got. This is a girl with red lipstick. She is rolling up. I love how this is like just a black and white shirt, but the lipstick is very colorful as well as the cigar. They both can stand out, so I definitely was loving that. Yes. Alright, this is the last graphic shirt. This is another black graphic shirt. Alright, and it has a person, I think it could be either a girl or a guy, but the person has like words on their face. I honestly cannot even tell what it says. I think it says, I am I don't know what it says. I don't know what it says. I didn't even know it really said something. I got it to match with those joggers. I thought that would match up really good. So yes, and it has the cool at the bottom. So yes, you guys, this is the pieces that I have from the Cool with an Edge. The Cool with an Edge is located in Atlanta, Georgia. They have a website as well as a storefront. So definitely check them out if you guys are in Atlanta. If you guys are not in Atlanta, check out their Instagram, check out their website to see what they got, and definitely place an order. They also have a location in Miami called the Cool Miami Gardens. I think that was their first location in Miami Gardens, and I think they have men's, women's, and kids clothing there. So you have the Cool Miami Gardens and the Cool with an Edge, Miami and Atlanta. So yes, guys, we love to see it. 2 storefronts, a black-owned business, a black-owned brand. They're definitely doing their thing. They are dope. This brand is dope. I love that they have all these graphic shirts, so many graphic shirts that you can choose from. So yes, this is the Cool with an Edge, located in Atlanta, Georgia. I will put everything that you guys need to know about them in the description bar. That's the end of this video. Please thumbs up if you guys like what you see. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel to see more, and hit the notification bell so you guys will always know when I am dropping a new video, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. As always, peace and love.